Hi, today I'll show you how to add your Facebook profile, page, and group to Social Web Suite. The first thing you have to do is log into your Social Web Suite account. Once logged in, click on the social profiles, and then add a social profile. Here you can choose which social profile you want to add from different social networks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your Facebook profile, page, and group, but you can add all your other profiles here too. Now click on the Add a Facebook Profile button, and if you're already logged into Facebook, it will ask you to give the authorization to Social Web Suite. If you're not logged into your Facebook account, the new window will pop up and ask you to log into your account. Please log in and authorize Social Web Suite to access and add your Facebook profile. It is really important here to allow Social Web Suite to access all these windows. Once you've added your Facebook profile, just click on the Add a Facebook Page button or Add a Facebook Group button, depending on which one you want to add. Keep in mind that you can only add pages and groups here that you're an admin of. Whichever button you've decided to click on, it will open up the list of your pages and/or groups, and you can just choose which one you want to connect to Social Web Suite, and that's it. You've successfully added your Facebook profile, page, and group, and connected it to Social Web Suite. Like and follow Social Web Suite's Facebook page to be the first to know when we release new features and run promotions and contests. I hope you've liked my video and that it was helpful. But if you have any questions regarding Social Web Suite, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for listening, and bye for now!